There are numerous reasons why a sausage stuffer is a great tool to have in your kitchen. It gives you the option of full control over what kinds of herbs, spices, and seasonings you want to make the sausage with. It's hard to deny that any sausage you make at home is much better, and now with new technology, making mouth-watering sausages at home is even easier than ever. And you'll find many different options on the market today, and we've carefully selected 5 of the best sausage stuffers and compared their features, so it's easier for you to choose which one best suits your needs. So let's get started. The first product on the list is the Costway 3.6 liter sausage stuffer maker meat filler machine. This one is perfect for making sausages, kielbasa, hot dogs, bratwurst, and many more. With its 6 pounds capacity, you can be sure that this sausage stuffer is heavy duty. The Costway sausage stuffer has a horizontal design with a stuck fixed base, which is suitable for high platform operation, sturdy, and it's easy to use. Not just that though, the detachable parts are easy to clean and dry after use, so you can spend more time with your family. It's made with premium materials, solid stainless steel and aluminum alloy, with upgraded metal gears and over-molded plunger that's built to last for years of heavy commercial and home use. This sausage stuffer also comes with 4 sized sausage tubes. It provides convenience for you to make different kinds of sausages and hams in your preferred sizes. Now you can make sausages in the comfort of your own home. This stuffer has an intelligent design that doesn't make any noise because of its upgraded metal gears. You can now think of other things that you need to accomplish within the day without having any distractions. It's helpful if you want a stress-free and peaceful time in the kitchen. This product also comes with a 100% warranty. This Costway sausage stuffer guarantees that you'll be impressed by its durability and high quality. If you're impressed with this product, then you can consider putting it on your to-buy list. The second item on the list is the Haka 15-pound 7-liter sausage stuffer. Making sausage has never been this easy and fun to do with this sausage stuffer. This item includes a cylinder that tilts back for a convenient filling, and it's ideal for home use. It includes a piston made of metal air release valve that allows the air to escape up and out of the top instead of going into the sausage casing. Haka ensures that with the advanced design of the product, it will secure years of trouble-free usage. The stainless steel frame locks the meat cylinder firmly in place and reduces movement of devices during operation, and it adds up to the stuffer's overall stability and perfect alignment of the piston inside the cylinder that reduces what we call O-ring friction. Resin gears are being hardened and mounted on a double-thread steel rod for exceptional control, smooth, and seamless operation for a good output of meat into the casings. The good thing about this product is it includes 4 different sizes of nozzles: 16mm, 22mm, 32mm, and 38mm. Its 2 speeds can be used more quickly and for smoother operation. This stuffer's frame and base are all made of stainless steel for easy cleaning, safety, and sanitation of meat processing. The base is made for easy mounting to different surfaces, and all parts of the device that have direct contact with the food have been approved by SGS Food Hygiene Standard. The quality of this product is just enough for the price that you're paying for. Pretty interesting, isn't it? Well, keep watching because we still have 3 more items to go. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload our latest review. Now let's continue. The third product on our list is the LEM Mighty Bite 5-pound vertical sausage stuffer. This remarkable device is an excellent addition to your home cooking. It guarantees a germ-free and rust-free machine that will definitely withstand slippage and wear with the use of carbon-hardened steel gears. This sausage stuffer uses a removable stainless steel cylinder, which makes cleaning and filling a breeze. It can hold up to 5 pounds of meat, and the cylinder measures around 8 inches in height and around 5 inches in diameter. It's also very easy to set up and very easy to clean. It can be cleaned using a dishwasher as well. The base is also made with stainless steel, making it very durable. This product includes 2 clamps, which can help you secure the equipment on your countertop while in use, And it also has 2 notches at the bottom, which ensures the cylinder on the base. Securing the cylinder and the base makes the cranking of the handle easier, making the stuffing of the casings easier as well. It has a hard plastic with a built-in valve, which helps in releasing air while stuffing. This product is designed to prevent creating air pockets while stuffing, and helps out in sealing the sausages. Preventing air pockets also prevents the meat from being stocked on the cylinder. This LEM Mighty Bite sausage stuffer comes with 3 plastic stuffing tubes, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch in diameter. You can easily screw the tubes onto the bottom of the cylinder, and it'll enable you to prepare different sizes of sausages for your loved ones. The 4th product on the list is the LEM Big Bite 30-pound motorized sausage stuffer. This sausage stuffer is built to last, and it's made for durability with its sturdy stainless steel body and base. The stuffing tubes that come with it are also made of stainless steel. These tubes offer variability in sausage preparation with their different sizes, such as 1/2 inch, 5/8 inch, 1 inch, and 1 1/4 inch in diameter. It can efficiently stuff practically any size sausage, even snack sticks. The speed control feature allows adjustability, and you can work at a slow pace or at a faster pace, thus allowing you to stuff at your own speed. This LEM Big Bite sausage stuffer is motorized, so you can do sausage stuffing faster compared to using the manual stuffer. Operating this appliance is also made simpler. You can work with the stuffer alone since it comes with a foot pedal, and the included foot switch allows for you to stuff your sausages hands-free. The sausage stuffer also comes with a handle. The cylinder of this sausage stuffer is removable, and it makes cleaning easier and filling more convenient. Its capacity is up to 30 pounds. The LEM Big Bite 30-pound motorized sausage stuffer has a dimension of 45 inches by 18 inches by 15 inches and weighs 58 pounds. The input is 0.8 amps, output at 15 watts and 120 volts. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty. We love to read your comments and suggestions, so please don't hesitate to interact with us. Also, please watch our past reviews because this might give you an idea of any future buying decisions. So let's proceed on to the last item. The 5th product on the list is the Zenni Electric Meat Grinder Sausage Stuffer Meat Mincer. This item is constructed with high-quality food-grade stainless steel and polypropylene plastic materials in double housing electromechanical protection for extended service life. It has a metal gear-driven mechanism designed for more powerful grinding capability, with its featured 1000 watts of peak output power and 350 watts rated power to make this grinder more efficient yet low noise. It also has a circuit breaker to prevent motor burnout. This product was made for multifunction use with 3 different stainless steel cutting plates for coarse, medium, and fine grinds of meat. You can create personalized meat blends, burgers, sausages, meatballs, and more. You can also use this for fish, wheatgrass, pepper, argaric, vegetables, etc. This meat grinder and sausage stuffer has a safe design with blades fully enclosed inside to eliminate the possibility of injury effectively. This is ETL approved for safe and secure use. It also comes with a meat pusher to push the meat into the grinder to ensure your fingers and hands are safe. It's featured in a powerful suction base to keep the meat grinder firmly and steady in use. You can now make home-cooked meals that are healthier and tastier with this helpful grinder that includes sausage and kube attachments to create the desired cooking style. This Zenni Electric Meat Grinder Sausage Stuffer Meat Mincer is designed with 3-way on, off, and reverse switch, and dual safety switch for easy operation. All parts are easy to remove, dishwasher safe, practical, and convenient. This grinder will surely add endless menu ideas for any occasion. Buying a sausage stuffer is an investment rather than an expense, since to you it's cheaper to make your own sausages than trying to purchase premium quality sausages from the market. We hope that you found one on our list that best suits your needs, and if you did, please head over to the description as we prepared links on where you can catch each of these items at their best prices. If you haven't subscribed to the page yet, then now is the best time to do that. Click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we post any new videos, and feel free to leave a comment or suggestion, as we're always looking forward to seeing them. That concludes our list for the best sausage stuffers. Thanks for watching.